Dear students, today I am going to tell you the thief's story written by Ruskin Bond, who is an Indian author of British descent. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. He is the achiever of Sahitya Akademi Award, Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan Award. The story is about two different people. The story unfolds how the thief betrays Anil by committing a theft but reacts later on. A small-time 15-year-old thief who calls himself Hari Singh befriends a struggling author. His purpose is to steal Anil's money. Anil employs him as a cook, non-paid cook, as he has irregular income. Hari Singh lives on food. Though Hari Singh is not a good cook, Anil teaches him how to cook. Anil is a good fellow who wants to teach Hari Singh how to read and write. Gradually, Anil develops trust in Hari Singh. Hari Singh buys goods and groceries for Anil and uses to steal 1 rupee from the money that has been given to him by Anil to buy goods and groceries. Anil knows that Hari Singh uses to steal but does not mind. Hari Singh has been waiting for the right moment to make a stealing. One day, Anil comes in with a bundle of notes. He tells Hari Singh that he has sold a book to a publisher. At night, he keeps the money under the mattress of his bed. Hari Singh thinks of stealing Anil's money and justifies himself that if he does not steal money from Anil, then also Anil will waste it on his friends. After stealing the money, which Anil has earned by selling a book to a publisher, Hari Singh tries to run away forever. He decides to leave the city by Lucknow Express that departs at 10:30 p.m. When he reaches the station, the train has slowly started moving. He can have easily caught the train, but some inner voice stops him from doing so. He counts the money. It is 600 rupees in 50 rupee notes. He can live a lavish life for 2 or 3 weeks with so much money. He sat on a bench in the park. He realizes that he wants a life of respect, which would pay him much more than these few hundred rupees. Then he decides to go back to Anil's house. He reached the room and placed the money back. Next morning, Hari Singh woke up a bit late. Anil has already made his tea. He gave a 50 rupee note to Hari Singh and tells him that he will be paid regularly. The note is still wet from the rain last night. Anil does not show that he knows about the theft and accepts Hari Singh with open arms. Thus, a well-intentioned person tries to reform a teenager who has diverted from the correct path. This is the story. Thank you very much to listen it silently and watching it carefully. Thank you.